Welcome to the 16th question. And let alpha is greater than 0, beta is greater than 0, be such that alpha cube plus beta square is equal to 4. If the maximum value of the term independent of x in the binomial expansion of ax to the power 1 by 9 plus beta x to the power minus 1 by 6 is 10k, then k is equal to, and we have to choose from the 4 options given below. And the solution is, for term independent of x, we are calculating tr plus 1 is equal to 10 cr into alpha x to the power 1 by 9, 10 minus r beta x minus 1 by 6 to the power r. That gives us 10 cr alpha 10 minus r beta r multiplied by x to the power 10 minus r divided by 9 into x to the power minus r by 6. Now since 10 minus r divided by 9 minus r by 6 is equal to 0, we have r is equal to 4 and t of 5 is equal to 10 cr alpha 6 into beta to the power 4. Since am is greater than equal to gm, now since am is greater than equal to gm, we take the fourth power, that gives us 4 by 4 to the power 4 is greater than equal to a to the power alpha to the power 6 beta to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 4, and that gives us t5 less than equal to 10c4 into 2 to the power 4, and maximum value of t5 is 10 into 3 into 7 into 16, that is equal to 10k, which was given in the question before. So we calculate the value of k, that is 3 into 7 into 16, that gives us 336. So therefore the answer is B.